చిత్ర హింసక మృత్యు ఘంటిక ముజ్జగాల ఏకకాల పలు రకాల ధ్వంసక
Play at the highest level.
Even now, there are doubters and haters all around. But one thing is for sure that I've always believed in myself. I've always believed in my heart that if I work hard 120% every day of my life.
கட்ட விரல் உடைஞ்சு ரத்தம் குட்டி 6 தையலோட கையில கிளவ் போட்டுக்கிட்டு கடைசி பால் வரைக்கும் 6 அடிச்சு விராட் கோலி மாதிரி தோக்குறது இன்னொரு வகை.
Failures are the most important thing in life because success doesn't teach you as much. It boosts your ego.